Good day everyone. Recently I have been reading Peter Lynch's book One Upon Wall Street. And I have decided to share with you guys a cool chapter where Peter Lynch sorts out the qualities that an investor should have in order to be successful. So let's start. Patience, self-reliance, common sense, tolerance for pain, open-mindedness, detachment, persistence, humility, flexibility, willingness to do independent research, being able to admit mistakes, the ability to ignore general panic, and the ability to make decisions without complete or perfect information. So indeed, if you take a look at successful investors, they have all of them. Let's try to attach some of the qualities to investors we know. Warren Buffett was praised so many times for being logical and using common sense when analyzing businesses. Humility, this guy is a $85 billion average Joe. Regardless of his way of life, he always gives credits to other people and admit making mistakes. The ability to ignore general panic, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger made their fortune by investing when market participants were panicking like there is no tomorrow. Now let's take a look on a different set of qualities like patience, self-reliance, tolerance for pain, detachment, persistence, and see who has them. By looking at those qualities, the first investor that I thought of was Dr. Michael Burry. If you didn't watch the Big Short movie, find time to do so because it's one of the greatest movies ever and it explains what happened in 2007-2009 and how Dr. Michael Burry, regardless of what was going on in the market, bet against the housing market. So I want to end this video by thanking you guys for following me and engaging my content. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and a like. Thank you for watching and have a great day.